Yo, this is Mr. O. Today we're going to learn about 2D area, finding the area of two-dimensional figures. So we're going to talk about find the area of the square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, triangle. We have done circle, but we can do it again. And we have rhombus and kite. Okay, let's go ahead now here. So how do we, number one, find the area of what? What kind of figure is this? Yes, you're right. It's a triangle. Very good. They're three-sided there. And what's the formula for triangle again? Triangle is half base times height. So the area, the formula is half base times height. Where's the base here? The base here is this side here, okay? And the height, which is the altitude, it has to be perpendicular to one of the side, which is makes this 90 degree. So therefore, the height is 4.8. So applying the formula, 1/2 times 5.8 times 4.8. So let's punch it in our calculator. Okay, so 1/2 times 5.8 times 4.8. The answer here is 13.92 feet squared. That's the area of this triangle. There you go. Kaboom. Number two, what kind of figure is this one here? This is 6.8. The 6.8, all of them are 90. So therefore, this figure is a square. Very good. So the formula is side squared or side times side. So here to find the area is side squared or side times side. So 6.8 squared, that will give us 6.8 squared is going to be 46.24 feet squared. And that's the area of this square. Kaboom. Next, number three. This is like a square, but it's a little bit not because this is 90, that's 90 because this is longer than the other. So this is considered to be a rectangle. So the area for rectangle is length times width or side times side. 9.1 miles times 5.4 miles. 9.1 times 5.4. That gives us 49.14 miles squared. Easy. Next, number four. This is a parallelogram. So parallelogram has a formula of, let's go back to the cheat sheet here, is base times height. Again, the height has to be 90 degree standing as it's an altitude. So this is your height, this is your base. So if you notice, the height here is outside the figure, but that is 4 inches, is same thing as the 4 inches here and same thing over here. And the formula is base times half, base times height, I mean. So the base here is 8.8 and the height here is 4 inches. So 8.8 times 4 inches is going to give us 35.2 inches squared. And that is our area of this parallelogram. Kaboom. All right, next, number five. What figure is this one here? This is a trapezoid. The form of trapezoid is you add the two bases, divide by 2 times the height of the trapezoid. Okay, so we're gonna add the two bases here, multiplied by the height. So the formula is a plus b. These are the bases, the top two parallel side, divide by 2 times the height. So this is the a, that's the b, that's the height. So therefore, 5 plus 10.2 over 2 times 9. So 5 plus 10.2, that gives us 15.2 divided by 2, 7.6 times 9. That gives us 68.4 meters squared. Kaboom. Number 6 and 7. This figure is called the kite. The two consecutive sides are equal, and these two here are congruent or equal to. So what do we know about kite? Kite and rhombus have the same formula. Is 1/2 times the A and B. A and B are the diagonals of the figure. Okay, so here area is half AB. Diagonals here are the diagonals. If this is 1.9, this is also 1.9. So half of 1.9 times, if this is 2.2, this is also 2.2 here. 2.2 kilometer. So half, or 0.5 times 1.9 times 2.2 will give us an area of 2.09 kilometer squared. Next, same thing with rhombus. All sides are equal, and you multiply also the diagonals, A, B. The diagonals here are 4.3. This is same thing as that one, and 8 is over here. So 4.3 times 8. So 0.5 times 4.3 times 8. It's going to give us 17.2 kilometer squared. And there you have it. That's how you find the area of the 2D figures. As always, kaboom.